Okay, and so for our last example here, we want to kind of compare the two different ways. So we've got an initial investment of $2,000. Both scenarios are going to be for 6 years long, both at 4%. So on the left, we want to calculate it when it's simple interest. So we know that's the interest earned on the original amount. Year after year, we continue to use the original amount. So we're going to have 2,000 times 0.04, which gives us 80. So we couldn't go ahead actually and fill out 80 for all of these because we know we're always going to use that same amount year after year. So when we go ahead and do that, our ending balance after the first year would be 2,080. The year after, we're going to add another 80 to that. So it's 2,160. 2,240. 2,320, 2,400, and finally 2,480 would be our ending balance. So now compound interest. So this will be a little bit more work. The starting will be the same. So we still start with our 2,000 and we multiply that by 0.04. And we get that same 80 for the first year. So we know that our starting ending balance at the end of the first year will be the same. Now this year, in the beginning of year 2, we're taking our ending balance from the previous year and we're using that when calculating interest. So we're taking our 2,080 and multiplying that by our interest rate of 4%, and that gives us 83.20. And when we add that on, we get 2,163.20, and so on. So I want you to keep going on and trying to calculate the rest by yourself, and then come back and pause the video, and then you can do that calculation, and then unpause the video and double check that your answers are correct. Okay, so if you've done all the calculations, you're able to check your answers there. And you can see at the end of the 5 years with the compound interest, so our table on the right, that we would have $2,530.64. So we can see that it's definitely higher than had we done the simple interest route. And that wraps up our note from today.